Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video where today we're starting a random life in BitLife. Sorry if there's no face cam. I couldn't get the face cam thing to work. So, I was born a male in some place in Israel after I was conceived from my mother's birth control failing. My birthday is November 27th. I'm sorry if I completely do this completely wrong. Sagittarius. My name is Yosef Golan. My father is Hadar Golan, a librarian. My mother is Leah Goni, a restaurant worker. Okay? A mashed avocado. It's dinner time once again, and your mother is swirling a spoonful of your least favorite green muck around the air. The spoon approaches your lips. Slap the spoon. No one likes guacamole. Okay, so I'm really dumb, but some kid named Barack wants to be my friend. Sure. Why not? Okay, I guess I'm just going to have to sit through this entire advertisement because there's no skip button or anything. And now I have to wait an extra 10 seconds for no absolute reason. I'm pretty sure the screen recorder is working, right? I'm not dumb? Yeah, it's working. Okay. I don't want to become a bit citizen or whatever. My mother and father have gotten married. Wait, they weren't married? Oh, I thought they were married already. Pretending to do things is a lot of fun, but you're not sure which activity is the most fun. Which will you choose? I mean, I'm like, 4 years old? I can't drive, I can't cook, and they let me talk on a phone at age 4, so I guess playing house. Oh my gosh, I have a pet, Sharpei. I'm pretty sure that's a type of dog. Yeah, I want the dog. My parents got me a dog named Patata. Okay, your mother is asking what your favorite color is. I'd say this person looks like he would be a fan of the color yellow. I don't know why, but he looks like he would be a fan of the color yellow. Okay, I'm starting elementary school. All boys. It's an all-boys elementary school. Okay, so this is how you turn your son gay. Send him to an all-boys elementary school. While in your teacher, Miss Rose's class, your classmate Isaac all of a sudden begins ripping pages out of the class textbook one at a time, yelling unnecessary with each new page tear. I'm gonna laugh at him, 'cause that's pretty funny. Oh, my dog is trying to get my attention? Why would I yell at her? I guess it's a bad thing that your dog wants your attention. Okay. Your classmate tells you that 2 wrongs don't make a right, as proven by my parents? Oh my gosh! Okay, that's actually kind of a good one. I'm not gonna do anything about that one because that was kind of funny. She just tried to eat a cheeseburger out of my hand. I'm gonna yell at her. It did absolutely nothing. Great. I'm probably going to either play until I die, which is going to be a long time, or play until I decide that I'm bored and I'm going to stop, because I'm recording this at I don't even know when, 12:25 at night. So Cyril wants to become my friend. I'm going to call you Toriel because I'm an Undertale fan, and that's what your name looks like. So, okay, Toriel, you're my friend now. I'm 12 years old. Despite taking an aspirin, your head continues to throb. You recently discovered some disgusting white spots in your mouth. Do I have an STI? Oh, ew, what? I go to the guy with the better. I have tonsillitis. Ew, no, get rid of it. Get rid of it. No. This kid tells me that I'm stupid every day. I'm reporting him. He keeps bullying me. He's going to look into it. Let's see. My dog hates me. Here, can I help? Give her a treat. She loved that. Let's see. Okay, this is how I'm going to tell if sending a boy to an all-boys school makes him gay. You're feeling strange. You're feeling heterosexual tendencies. Okay, so I'm straight. Good. I hated that dog. No offense to the dog, but dang, she was a mean dog. She ate a cheeseburger, like, right out of my hand. Let's see. It's like nothing I can do. I mean, I could get a pet, but I don't have any money. So I'm gonna ask my mom for money. Give me money. $62. Okay, so if you go up to your mom and just say, hey, can I have some money? Do you think she's going to hand you $62? Let me give him a compliment. He didn't really enjoy that. Here, I will give him a rabbit's foot. No, that's disgusting. A BitLife citizenship. Here, y'all can... Why? Why do I have to watch this dumb advertisement? Yawn. This game looks so boring. I don't even know why it has advertisements for Kim Kardashian crap. I really don't want to play Kim Kardashian strange video game. Okay, I got him a citizenship. Now he wants to be my best friend even though he hated me like a week ago. Okay, your mother and father have ended their relationship. Okay, so first, my mother's birth control failed. They got married. Some kid insulted them, saying two wrongs don't make a right, and now they just broke up. That's great. So who am I staying with now? Mom or dad? Your friend tells you that he has a friend who needs to learn a little lesson and is asking you to prank call him pretending to be the police. Of course. Anything for a tutorial. Let's see. Activities. Let's see. Are there any dates? While riding your bike. Wait, I have a bike? You meet a girl named Shlomit. Shlomit? She has a lot of money. She's pretty cute. Not really, just like halfway. She's really smart. I think I'm gonna ask her out. And she called me a loner. Okay. Okay, we're going to another all-boys school, but it's middle school now. Well, more secondary school. Nah, I'm not interested in basketball team. I mourn the death of my dog. I think he's smooth. Okay, if I go over here and I'm not feeling homosexual tendencies and I just called my friend smooth. My male friend, smooth. No U-turns. I called him smooth. Smooth. I'm done. Social media. Nah, no social media. Because that's just going to make me share BitLife. I know your tricks, BitLife. You just want... I'm going to watch YouTube with him. Sure, AFMAO. Why not? I mean, I already have a best friend. Fine. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Surprise me because... Okay, I'm getting a job. Why? Why Kim Kardashian crap? I don't want... Ew. No. Ew. No. 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 Why? Why do I have to watch this? Just go away. Go away. Just get off my screen. Okay. Ew, I could be a television reporter. For $52,000 a year? I'm good with that. Okay, jerk. A porta potty pumper. I mean, I guess it doesn't really require much, like any, degrees or anything, so. While being interviewed for the porta potty pumper position at Mr. Effusions, you're asked the following question. What are you looking for in a new position? A fun working environment. Okay, here we are. We have a job and we are going to have more than $57 in our bank account. I witnessed a mean girl drinking and driving. Look the other way. I really don't care. Sexuality, I'm feeling heterosexual tendencies. You know what? Surprise me. Okay. Fine, I'll put in the extra hours. 49 hours a week. Dang, that's 2 days amount in 1 week. I don't want to go to a Bruno Mars concert with my Toriel friend. Go away. Let's see. You know what? Screw it. I'm in. Kinky. You and your best friend Toriel had a threesome with Samander Omar. What is wrong with me? Okay, Toriel's telling me if I should plan a trip to India. Sure. I don't know what I just pressed. I dropped my phone. I advised him not to do it. Okay. Yeah, you're just gonna get coronavirus. I witnessed a choir boy ghost riding the whip. Cool. No, not 8 more hours of time. If he fires me... Okay, I'm going to go to the doctor for my abdominal pain. And which local doctor will you schedule an appointment with? Dr. Hin. I have constipation. Surprise me. I want to see if it'll treat me. Okay, good. Oh, thank goodness I don't want to be constipated. She could really use a shower because she's feeling very dirty. Surprise me. Oh no. Here, I'll let the dice choose. Surprise me again. Okay, I did. Her dog licked you dirt. Her dog what? What? Fine, I'll keep the baby. Alrighty then. I think that's enough for today, guys. I'm gonna end this video here. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another BitLife episode. So bye everybody, and I see you in the next one. Bye.